How's your wife feeling in this weather?
Oh, she don't complain about the weather, but she don't get out of the house too much. Afraid she won't get back in time in case, well, you know.
I was the same way with my Vincent, but with May, I was up and out till the very last minute.
Would your wife like some minestrone, some good Italian soup?
Oh, much obliged, Mrs. Fiorentino, but she can't seem to keep anything on her stomach, and that's why she sent me to get an orange. I'm a bit jittery, I guess. I'll sure be glad when we get this all over with.
Ugh, the way the men carry on, you'd think it was them that was having the baby.
Well, if you ask me, I think it's harder on the men. No, I mean it. When a woman has a baby, assuming that she shouldn't overlook the fact it's awful hard on a man.
When a woman has a baby, it is hard on a man.
That's the way it is with me, folks. I'm under a nervous strain, and even though I'm not laid up, I can hardly stand the pain. She tells me all her fears, it nearly drives me silly. She thinks the baby's eyes will cross and look like Cousin Tilly. I cannot seem to please her, no matter how I try. She wants soft-shell crabs at Christmas and oysters in July. I'm just a beginner, that's why I'm in this state. I guess I'll be much calmer when we get to number 8. Oh, it's easy for a mother to reduce a life for Abby. It's dad who has to pay when a woman has a baby. I'm on my way, a baby.
Daddy!
I think it's coming.